So this is the system built for our EmoCheck app. This is the directory of the path. First, we separated them into three directory, which are authentication for login and sign up. We also have chat. This is basically all for chat purpose, like message, get requests, and etc. We also have the homepage directory for all the homepage fragments, and we also have the main here, which are for the app bar or the bottom navigation bar that could navigate to each page starting from homepage, chat room, and also the profile page. Okay, first we're starting from the main activity to Java, which here everything starting from this page. So first, the user will log in, and then if they don't have the account, they will be directed to the register page or the sign up page, and then they will input this information, and then it will be saved to our Firebase. Oh yeah, or also for the database, we are using Firebase. We are using the real-time database, and that is for the main activity.java. We also have the home fragment. I will also show maybe the layout for this, and this is the layout for the home fragment. Just started with basic art, and it also have the recycler view, so it will be scrollable. And this is the string where we store all of our information, and then we will go to the activity message. This is the activity message. We are also using the recycler view, and this is the fragment chat for just like basic chat room. And then lastly, we also have the profile information. This is for the edit profile, as well as the sign up, which is where all the information is stored, and this is the login. Alright, as for the login, for the shared preference feature, we also use the biometric, which is stored in here, the login activity. As for the biometric, we use the fingerprint feature. So once the user is registered to their according fingerprint, they could use the biometric feature as a shared preference, so they don't have to type any more information as for the login, like username and password. They just need to like do the fingerprint, and then the information will be filled like automatically, like that. That's for all the build system, I guess, and we'll continue to the installation system. So as for the installation system, this application is released already in APK file or the debug file that could be downloaded, but right now I will show you the demo video and using emulator, the Android emulator. I will start the application. Okay, so we are currently in the application demo video. So before we start, I just want to tell you to make sure that you have a internet connection by checking it through the bar like this, and make sure the internet is connected, because in order to run the application, we need the internet to be connected so that all the data could be saved and the chatbot could be run like that. Okay. So first of all, we need to sign up. We are creating the account. For example, I will use mine. Okay, and then just click the sign up when you are sure with the information. And here we are directed to the login page, which we have the biometric feature. But since we are currently in the application debug, like in the emulator mode, so we can't really use the fingerprint feature. So we will be just doing the main login. But actually, as for the biometric feature, the flow is that first we still need to create like we still need to do the basic login like this, like typing our username and password. But then after that, after we login and then we do logout, we are able to do the fingerprint. So the first step is still to fill the login information as it is. So my username was this and the password. If the credential is invalid, then it will show errors like that. It means that my password is incorrect. Okay, so once we successfully log in, we will be directed to the homepage view, which is the I use card and recycler view for this. This is consists of like the main information or the basic information about the application. Like, for example, what is our EmoCheck app? And here we have the description. We also have the app starting guide or how to do the chatbot Chrome chat, how to chat. Here we can click. And then we also have the app's developer information, which is our team information. Okay, and so we also have the profile page here. This is like for the information of my credentials here that I registered to the sign up. And we could also edit our profile. For example, I want to edit my name, maybe uh, become like Nadifah Aulia. And then save it, and it's safe. We could check it again. Yeah, and it's changed already. We also have the logout button, which if we click it, it will bring us directly again to the login page. And now we will try the chat room. We could just try with basic hello. And so they will reply, "Hello there, how can I help you today?" But since this is a mental health chatbot, so it is only focused on the mental health itself. Like for example, if you are asking the topic out of mental health, they are not able to answer it. I will show you for the example. Like for example, you are asking about today's weather, something like, "How is today's weather?" A topic like this is out of the mental health topic. So supposedly the chatbot is not able to give like further information or response about this, but we will see. Yes, they will reply something like, "I'm here to help with mental health and emotions. Let's focus on that." Or the other example, if you are asking to help with your homework, for example, like, "Can you help me with my physics homework?" Yeah, they also cannot help you with your homework. So this chatbot is only focused to help you on mental health and emotions. So we will try that by maybe shouting like, "I'm feeling sad." And then they will provide the reply with, "I'm sorry to hear you feeling sad." And then they will also provide a few things that might could help you maybe, or like a suggestion or information like that. And they will also comfort you by telling you that remember you're not alone and important to take care of yourself, something like that. And maybe you could also try uh, like the higher level of mental health issue, like I'm depressed. We will see how will they respond to this kind of action. See, they will reply again, "I'm sorry to hear you're feeling depressed." Okay, and they offer you something depression. Okay, would you like me to help you find some resource? And then you could reply like make it interactive. For example, like yes, I would like you I would like you to I would like you to help me in finding mental health resource. Yes, and then they will provide you with some mental health resources like that. This is just a simple application about mental health and emotions. And maybe furthermore, we will need to improve on the markdown formatting, and then maybe to improve also with our large language model. Okay, so once you are finished with the session, you could just go back to the main directory here, the dashboard, and that's all. You can do your logout if you want to log out here, and there you go, logged out. Okay, so that's all for the application demo. Thank you. Okay, so right now we will try to install it via APK app. So we just have to click the install button here and wait for the installing system to be installed. And now it is already installed. We can open the application. Here we open the EmoCheck application, and because it is not supported for the dark mode, so we will change it into light mode first. Okay, now we are ready. We will try the biometric fingerprint feature here by clicking the login. Okay, so right now we'll try the biometric fingerprint feature. Instead of filling our personal information manually, we can just direct it to click the biometric button and do our fingerprint. This is the example if the biometric is succeed. Now I will show you the example if the biometric is invalid, meaning that the fingerprint is not registered yet to the system. It will set that the biometric login is not recognized. Okay.